Hello. Some of you requested that you wanted to do a quick little melody using minor chords. So we're going to use an E minor chord, which is these two strings here, the 4th and the 5th on the 2nd fret. Scoot this pattern over one and then add one here, makes an A minor with the 1st fret. Come back, and then if you want to add a B7 chord, and then come back. Okay, so we're going to add a little bit more to it, going. Come back. Add your B7. And so. B7. And there you have it. If you have any questions, let me know, or if you'd like other requests that you want me to do, share and let me know also. All right, until next time, keep the music coming. Bye.